What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. The iPhone 12 mini is looking like the most intriguing new iPhone 12 that Apple will launch this fall. For one, it should be the most compact new iPhone in years and the best smartphone for all those people who prefer to use handsets with one hand. The iPhone 12 mini should also be the cheapest among the rumored 4 new iPhones, giving Apple a direct competitor to value-oriented flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition and Google Pixel 5. With the iPhone 12 event now set for October 13, it won't be long until we have the official specs and price, but based on all of the leaks thus far, here are 9 coolest facts about iPhone 12 mini. The iPhone 12 mini will likely debut at Apple's October 13 high-speed event, where we expect to see several 5G iPhones. Based on that timing, the iPhone 12 mini would be available for pre-order on Friday, October 16, and the actual iPhone 12 mini release date would be October 23. The iPhone 12 mini price is a bit off a moving target, but the most recent iPhone price leak from the Apple Rumors account on Twitter says that the device will start at $649 for 64 gig storage version. The 128 gig version would cost $699 and 256 of storage would cost $799. But we have also heard that Apple may release a non-5G iPhone 12 for a cheaper price. This is the most exciting thing about the iPhone 12 mini. The handset is said to be even smaller than the iPhone SE 2020 while supporting a larger display. The 5.4-inch OLED panel on the iPhone 12 would dwarf the 4.7-inch LCD screen on the iPhone SE in a more compact chassis, and that's because the new iPhone 12 mini would not have a Touch ID button underneath the display and chunky bezels. It should be the same full screen design as the other iPhone 12 models. The iPhone 12 mini should support the same retro design as the rest of Apple's lineup, which means flatter edges that are reminiscent of the iPhone 4. The iPhone 12 mini should be mighty when it comes to performance. Most leaks point to Apple equipping this device with the same 5nm A14 Bionic processor that should power the other iPhone 12 models. This chip, based on leaked benchmarks for the iPad Air, should blow away all Android phones. The iPhone 12 mini is expected to start with 64 gigs of storage, which is a bummer when you consider that other Android phones in this price range offer double that amount. You can also expect 4 gigs of RAM in the iPhone 12 mini. There has been a single rumor suggesting that the iPhone 12 mini could feature a less powerful B14 chip, but we don't think that carries much weight. The 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini is said to feature the same 12-megapixel main rear camera and 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. However, the lenses are supposedly improved. We also anticipate Apple introducing new computational photography features and finding ways to improve night mode. The iPhone 12 mini should connect to faster 5G networks, but there is some debates as which ones. We have seen a couple of reports saying that the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 will support only sub-6 GHz 5G networks, which tend to offer long range but not very fast speeds. The iPhone 12 mini could have one of the smallest batteries in any flagship, but we would not panic. The battery pack will reportedly have a capacity of 2227 mAh, which will be smaller than the battery in the iPhone 11, which was 3110 mAh. The iPhone 12 mini has the potential to be a big hit. Assuming the price is as aggressive as the rumors, shoppers could flock to this small phone. The appeal of the iPhone 12 mini is that it will reportedly cram all of the most important upgrades over the iPhone 12, including 5G, an OLED display, a faster A14 Bionic chip, in a design that can easily slip into your pocket. Those who want a bigger screen or more advanced feature like a telephoto camera or LiDAR sensor will gravitate towards the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. But the iPhone 12 mini could make small phones cool again. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.